exactly someone. It's true. If I'm at home, it would be done cleaning only. Now let's see. Now let's start. I will just give a quick recap of what we discussed, and today we will discuss, you know, until the complete CSS till now, whatever we are having it like, including the media queries and all, whole CSS will be inside the CSS.pdf. I need to put grid. I need to put the transitions, which we discussed, pseudo elements, pseudo classes, and all. Okay. Now come inside. Okay. Now what we discussed yesterday. Yesterday we discussed a few things like pseudo classes, pseudo elements. Okay. Now if I go to the CSS, let me show you all. I can use selectors like child selector. I can use selector like descendant. Arrow you will use when you are going with paragraph inside div. Paragraph right inside the div, you will use arrow. Paragraph who is maybe descendant, like a div inside another element is there, inside another element paragraph is there. You want that one also, like a grandchild also. You will use space. When it is something next to
This meeting is
enabled,
being recorded.
required, optional, okay, read only, read write, right? You can even use not. That means only a specific thing you can give exception. Or you can give something called nth child or first child, last child, nth last child. Also, you can also see something called nth of type, nth last of type. Okay. Like this, you can use multiple styles. After we discussed multiple styles, we discussed something called transformations. Inside the transformations, we discussed transition. How do you do transition? Transition means going from one state to another state. One state to another state. Imagine here you have one box and you increase the box height and width, or something height I increased. Now this one will be converted from this state to this state. How it will be converted, sir? Very simple. Whenever you put your mouse, convert it, directly converts. But I want to see the change. I want to make it feel. Then you will use transition. Transition will ask three things. First one, which property you wanna see? All. Mostly we will use all. How much time you wanna see? Seconds, something, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or something. While going into that time, what timing function I want to use? Is normally grow, gradual grow, linear, constant. Ease in, initially slow and then fast. Ease out, initially fast, then slow. Ease in, out, slow, fast, slow, something kind of one. Any doubt, sir? No. We used this. Also, we used something called transform. Like if you want zooming effect, scale. If you want rotate effect, rotate. Or if you want something slant, think skew. Okay. Did you all remember, ma? You want to move the element, you will use translate. This is all transitions. Now let's discuss interesting thing which is called animations. Now only two things to make it your CSS another level are two things today. One is animation, another one is media queries. One is animation, another one is media query. Now let's discuss animations today and media queries also today. If time is there, tomorrow we'll do the whole code once. Like a simple site I will do. Exclamation, enter, and then style.css. Now, now, CSS. Now, link CSS. Then next, after linking the CSS, what I can put div dot main inside div dot box asterisk 4. Also, I will do direct on dynamic dot box dollar. Sorry, 4. So box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4 also. Now go here. Can anyone call someone outside admin? Call some admin there. Bring them. I will go here, go live. Now, okay. Div tag creation, what the code? That is emmet code. Did you see that my emmet code? You can use emmet code or you can directly use it. However, like if you don't know emmet code, you can use normal code also. कुछ नहीं होता. Now let's go here. Now till now everything is plain ma. Now let me write it here. Dot box height 50 pixel, width 50 pixel, width 50 pixel, background color red. So I'm just taking it here. Margin 10 pixel, just to see it differently. Any doubts in this? In case if you did not get it, you can directly write it here. Div class main, inside that div class box 1, box 1, box 2. You can directly write it the code also. There is nothing wrong. In real time, sir, no one will ask in interview or somewhere the emmets, because emmets are only VS code. In case if your job is not VS code, you don't use these emmets. I think you all know that, right? Now, always remember the basic code also. Like for example, every time I'm using something link CSS, I know that link relation equals to style sheet href, some link I will use. What if, sir, tomorrow they ask you to do it and online? You will not get this link column CSS ma. Okay. Basic codes remember first and then try it using shortcut. Okay. Now. Okay. Now let's start, sir. Go here. Anyway, what is it mean by transition? What is it mean by animation? Difference क्या है? देखो, everyone 10 minutes. Listen. Imagine one element is here. Everyone listen, ma. One element is here. From here, the element moved to here. It is called transition, right or not? Why? Element is in one state earlier, one position. Element is having new position here. Any doubts, ma? A user started running from source to destination he ran. It is a transition example I gave. Any doubts by it? Going from one state to another state. Now, what if this guy from here again he jumped to here? This guy again from here he jumped to here. This one again jumped to here. This one again jumped to position. Here is he going from one place to another place? He is going from multiple places. This is called animation. What it is called? Animation. And the transition difference is transition goes from one state to another state only. Animation goes from one state to another state, again another state to another state, again another. It's like multiple transitions are called animations. Are called how you will do animation. Listen to this linely, slowly, and then you will do your own animation also. Now, write it here animation. Animation will take it so many variables. First, animation name. You can give whatever the name you like it, sir. I am giving an animation name Prasad. Is there any animation named Prasad, sir? No. Usually you will not give, but I am just giving it. So there is no animation named Prasad. So obviously your system will not do anything. You will define. If anyone familiar with programming languages, you will give one function name and then you will define your function name. Right or not? It will call that function a similar logic. Now go here. Next. How much time you want? 10 seconds. What is the timing function? First I will do slowly only these three things. Then I will do remaining all. Is this much we all know already. Right or not? This much you all know na? Same like transition na? Same like transitions are only difference is Prasad you gave name. There you will say all and all. Now, what is Prasad? You have to define a keyframe. What you will define? Keyframe. What is this keyframe? Like I think you know basic logic of video. If anyone familiar with video or something, they will understand. A video is nothing but 24 frames slowly making it up. Right or not? So, if I'm lifting my phone, it's like from here to here, slowly 24 frames you can make it up. Similarly, imagine this guy go from here to here. This is one frame. 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 And this is one frame. Total how many frames are there in this? 6. Total how much time is there? 10 seconds. So each one will take it 10 by 6 seconds. Something 1 point or something will come. Is it clear, ma? Any doubts here? Each one is like one transition. Okay. Now, how do you do give it, sir? Now, you can define it how many frames you like it. Now, I will give it simple. Uh, I will give animation for not all elements. I will give animation for only box 1. So that I will show you first. Later, I will give it more and more interestingly. Don't worry. Box 1. Total animation will take it 10 seconds, ma. Total animation will take it. If I say 50 percentage, that means at what time it will run? 100 percentage is 10 seconds. So 50 percentage is 20 percentage is 20 percentage is 2 seconds. 100 percentage 10 seconds. 20 percentage. Now देखो. When 2 seconds are over, change the background color to blue. Translate, transform, translate X 200 pixel. X axis move to 200 pixel. Are you getting my point? And border radius 50 percentage. Immediately it will become circle. Now next, go here. Control C. Next, at 40 percentage. When I become 40 percentage, change the color to green. Translate Y 400 pixel. Border radius again 20 percentage only this time. I am just doing dummy. Okay, don't worry. 60 परसेंटेज में क्या होता 70 80 परसेंटेज में क्या होता 100 percentage में क्या होता you can make it however you like it. Okay, I am dividing it as 5 frames. Okay, now when it is 60 percentage, that means when it is 6 seconds, then again move it x-axis minus 100, then change the background color to yellow, Sir, is it necessary to change every time colors? No, I am doing it. I am just doing it, sir. Okay. Now, I will just change it here. Pink, go here. I will just explain it one more time. Don't worry. Border radius 0%. Okay. Now, everyone, I am explaining it one more time. Slowly listen. Slowly listen. First one, sir, you write it here. One animation, sir. Animation name is Prasad. Animation name is, and total time is, and what is the function is, and for which end you are giving this all. That means box one will have the animation. Any doubts, ma? No. Now go down. You are creating one animation. You are creating one animation. Now this animation, when this animation is 20 percentage, when this animation is 20 percentage, what it will do, sir? What it will do, sir, when it is 20 percentage? Background color it is changing. Transform. Translate X bole to it will move X axis. Translate X bole to it will move X axis. X axis it will move. Border radius it will change. What it will change? Border radius it will change. Now again, when it is 40 percentage, again I am changing background color. Translate Y. Translate Y bole to what will happen, sir? Dekho, slowly understand. Now, when I started, this one X axis 200 pixel will move. Turn to blue color. Border radius 50 percentage. So it will become circle. Now, after 2 seconds, what will happen? Translate Y 400 pixel. Then it will become green color. Right or not? Now, again, translate Y something 400. Border radius bole to again it will become normal. Now, after this, slowly, if I go down, what more will happen? 60 percentage. Background color, what it will become? 60 percentage means how many seconds, sir? 6. Why total 100 percentage is 10. Always percentage is equals to time. Percentage is equals to time. Now, 80 percentage is this violet color. 8 seconds. 100 percentage बोले तो any doubts, ma? Any doubt, ma? No. Is it clear, sir? I am giving complex. Each time I'm making so many changes. You can make it only color change रे कुछ नहीं होता ना. Now every time listen. Every time I am changing. Now sir, what is this identifier? Now नाम दे दो. What is the name of animation, sir? Let's give Prasad. Now अच्छा था. Am I doing anything there? No. It is only moving it. Are you getting my point, ma? Let's go here. Let's see it there. Now, let's go here. Let's make it at 100 pixel. It's just moving however it wants. Any doubts are here? Slowly. Here, I gave for box one animation, sir. On this animation, I gave certain time, sir. On this animation, I gave certain times here. Animation name, time, and ease. Now the animation name, I created keyframes. What I created, sir? Keyframes, you can tell however you like it, sir. Keyframes, sir. Do I need to put this many keyframes, sir? No need. You can put it only two things also. You can put it only 0%, 100%. 0% में क्या रहता, 100% में क्या रहता, you can directly give na. Sir, you can put one state also, 100 states also. That is what the animation means. I will say directly one thing, sir. 100%. Someone is saying it like how to do this animation only when we hover in it. Animations will not happen when you hover. Transitions will happen when you hover, which we did yesterday. Animations means which will happen automatically when you load the page. Are you getting my point? Animations will not trigger when you hover. But if you wanted 100% after I hover only, I wanted to trigger, you need to use JavaScript also. You can put it something, no need to use JavaScript also. You can put it this one. Dekho. Box one, hover. Now see this. Now, when this animation will happen, when I hover it only, na? Now see. Background color, blue, red. Only simple thing I'm giving. Transform, translate, X, translate, X, 500 pixel. What will happen, sir? It will go to 500 pixel, X axis. How much time it will take for 500 pixel? 10 seconds. Now go here. Is it happening? Any doubts, ma? No. When you hover on it, it will work basically because you are doing it for hover. I don't like it to do that always. Animations I will give it for free, but you can try it. Now see, 100 percentage. Let's divide it instead of 100 percentage. I will do earlier I did it for 5 stages. Now I'm slowly changing it for 3 stages because some people feel it difficult. Okay, so I am just changing it into now different stages. So it's like, sir, translate give 3D ones. It won't work 3D ma. For 3D you need to put somewhat different logic. I will show you the advanced 3D ones later. Don't worry. Now here, background color green, translate X, transform, translate X, 200 pixel, translate Y. You can give Y, X and Y at a time. 66 percentage. It's like three parts. Okay. Hello. 500 pixels, 200 pixels. Now let's refresh. Why translate Y is not working? Only translate X is working. I have given only. I gave translate because I thought it like translate. Actually, translate can take trans. translate X and Y both. So that's why I gave it like that. Anyway, so here, it is not taking all. There is a great solution for this. Instead of using transforms which are not working, I will use something a good logic. Oh, I forgot one nice concept, Ray. Actually, there is one concept called position. We will discuss position today. Media queries tomorrow. Now, dekho. Position. What does it mean by position, sir? Imagine here one element is here, na? Right or not? Now, by default, total five positions are there. How many positions are there? First one is called static position. By default, all elements are static. If any element is static, you can't define where you want it to be. But basically, they will be staying there. If you say move left 100 pixel, right 100 pixel, it will not move because static means it will not move. Static means not move. But you can define different positions. I will give second position. We will discuss positions also today. Don't worry. You animations and positions combined, we will discuss. That will give better idea. First, box one, position, absolute. Position, position absolute will give the position based on body. Position based on body. Now, if I go here, imagine this is the body of the page. Everyone see this, sir. Imagine this is the body of the page. And you have one div here. You have one div here. Now, if you say top 0 pixel, top 0 pixel, it will go 0 pixel top to the body. If you say left 0 pixel, it will go left 0 pixel for the body. Actually, element you write it in HTML here. You write it the HTML here. But still, this guy will go here. Why? Because position absolute means it will go for the body. It will go for the, if I say position relative, it will stay at wherever the place. If an element is here, it will stay here only. It will not move. If you say left hand 0 pixel, so I will not move any left axis 0 pixel. So I will stay there only. Like for example, I am standing here. Someone said move left 100 pixel. From left side, I will move something 100 pixel. But imagine someone said left 0 pixel. I will not move because I am not considering any body. I am considering my place only. It will consider its place is relative. Is called, but if it is considering body, it is called absolute. It is called ah. Now you can use relative or absolute. You can use whatever you like it. Okay. Now if I use relative, it will stay from its place. Now left axis, it will be easy, sir. Left go to one or top and right you will give. Right and bottom you can give. Bottom and left you can give. You can't give top and bottom, left and right. It never works. If someone said to you, move left 200 and right 300, it never works. Okay. Go left 300, then right, or then top. Something like that. So, left and top always, bottom and right. Now, now, what will happen, sir? This one. See, same like this. I will try. It's a basically compulsory. Left and top or bottom and right. It's a basic compulsory. Now, go here. Let me give each element position 500 pixel, 200 pixel. 100 pixel minus 200 pixel. Now go here. Now refresh it. Initially the element is here. Why the element is coming directly? 33 percentage. It's becoming 0 percentage. Position absolute or position relative. Initially the element is left 0 pixel, top 0 pixel. Later it will slowly change. Now see this. From one point to another point, it will smoothly move. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, sir? Is everyone clear, sir? Same logic. Why don't I give it for all elements? Why don't I give it for same thing, all elements? Like Prasad is not only for this box one, Prasad will apply for all elements. That will be more interesting, sir.
This meeting is being
Animation
recorded.
delay. How much time you wanted? Initially for this one, 0 seconds. Box one, immediately start. Box two, animation delay, 2 seconds. Animation delay, 4 seconds. ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ షాపిఫైలోకి వెళ్ళి అప్పుడు ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ చేయాలా చాలా చేయాలి ప్రైస్ స్టిచ్ చేయండి సార్ అతను చేస్తాడు మీరు మీరు ప్రోడక్ట్స్కి వెళ్ళి ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసి అక్కడ పైన కొద్దిగా అక్కడ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ పైన కొద్దిగా చివర రైట్ సైడ్ చివర సర్చ్ బాక్స్ ఉంటుంది సెర్చ్ ఉంటుంది సెర్చ్ కొట్టండి మీకు అక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో కొన్ని ఫిల్టర్స్ కనబడతాయి అక్కడ మీరు వెండర్ అని ఒకటి ఉంటాడు ఆ వెండర్ లోకి వెళ్ళి మీకు ఏ వెండర్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలో ఆ వెండర్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి అప్పుడు మీకు అన్ని ప్రొడక్ట్స్ వస్తాయి అన్ని ప్రొడక్ట్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి ఒకేసారి చెక్ బాక్స్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే అన్ని ప్రొడక్ట్స్ సెలెక్ట్ అవుతాయి సెలెక్ట్ ఆల్ అవుతాయి అవన్నీ అక్కడ కనబడుతున్నాయి కదా మీకు ఆల్రెడీ వెండర్ అన్ని వచ్చాయి కదా అక్కడ మీకు లెఫ్ట్ లో చెక్ బాక్సెస్ ఉంటాయి చూడండి చెక్ బాక్స్ చెక్ చేస్తే మీకు అన్ని చెక్ అవుతాయి చెక్ అయ్యాయి సార్ పైన కాదు మీరు కిందే కదా మీరు కింద వెండర్ కొట్టారా సార్ మీరు చిన్న చిన్న సర్చ్ బాక్స్ కొట్టారా ప్రొడక్ట్స్ కి వెళ్తే మీకు అక్కడ చిన్న సర్చ్ బాక్స్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఆ సర్చ్ క్లిక్ చేయండి చిన్న సర్చ్ కదా మీరు క్లిక్ చేసేది సార్ మీరు పైన ఉండే సెర్చ్ క్లిక్ చేస్తున్నారా కింద ఉండే సెర్చ్ క్లిక్ చేస్తున్నారా పైది కాదండి మీరు ప్రోడక్ట్స్ లోపల మీకు అన్ని ప్రోడక్ట్స్ పేర్లు కనబడుతున్నాయా ఆ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ మీదే రైట్ సైడ్ చివర సర్చ్ సింబల్ ఉంటది. ఆ సర్చ్ సింబల్ కొట్టండి సార్. సార్ట్ పక్కనే సర్చ్ ఉందా, సర్చ్ కొట్టండి సార్. మీకు అక్కడ చిన్న సర్చ్ సింబల్ ఉంటుంది చూడండి. అవును వచ్చింది కదా. అప్పుడు ఆ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ కి ఆ సెర్చింగ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ కింద మీకు వెండర్, అందులో క్లిక్ చేస్తే మీకు అన్ని వెంటర్లు కనబడతారు. అందులో ఒక వెంటర్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. మీకు అన్ని ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఆ వెంటర్ వస్తాయి. అక్కడ సెలెక్ట్ ఆల్ కొట్టండి. మీరు పైన క్లిక్ చేస్తే అన్ని సెలెక్ట్ అయిపోతాయి. చెక్ బాక్సెస్. అవునండి, లేకపోతే క్లిక్ చేస్తే కింద అన్ని డాబులు వచ్చినాయా. మీరు ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే అక్కడ మీకు ప్రోడక్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ప్రోడక్ట్ చెక్ బాక్స్ క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత కింద ప్రోడక్ట్ వచ్చాయి కదండి. కింద ప్రోడక్ట్ అని వస్తే ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ చెక్ బాక్స్ లాంటివి ఏం కనబడట్లేదా మీకు. వాటన్నిటి ప్రొడక్ట్స్ అన్నిటి పైన ఒక చెక్ బాక్స్ ఉంటుంది. అది క్లిక్ చేస్తే అన్ని ప్రొడక్ట్స్ సెలెక్ట్ అయిపోతాయి. చేశారా సార్. అవ్వదు సార్. మీకు కింద అన్ని ప్రొడక్ట్ కనబడుతున్నాయా. ఆ ఆ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో చిన్న చెక్ బాక్స్ ఉందా. మీకు ఆ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ అన్ని కనబడుతున్నాయి కదా. పోనీ పైన రైట్ సైడ్ లో బల్క్ ఎడిట్ అని ఏమైనా కనబడుతుందా మీకు. సార్ మీకు ఏమొస్తుందో ఫోటో తీసి పంపించరా. సరే సరే. Okay, everyone, see this one more time. Everyone, what I gave it here. Now, can you see it here? First, box 1 is coming, then box 2 is coming, then box 3 is coming, then box 4 is coming. Are you getting my point, sir? Why they are coming it like that? Because each box you gave separate timing. You can give directly here also. Animation delay you can give directly here also. It will apply for all elements. First one is animation name, animation time, animation function, then animation delay. Animation delay. Not only delay, sir. Not only delay. Why don't I do it something like more crazy? You can do something. How many times? Now, how many times my animation is working, sir? One time, na? You can make it here 5. You know what will happen? 5? 5 times your animation will work. Why don't I give 5? I will say infinite. What will happen, sir? Now animation will work infinite times. Any doubt, sir? Now it is going to top now. I will just go down and I will just change it. Top 300 pixel, top 600 pixel, top minus 200 pixel. Let's go here, top 0 pixel. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Any doubt, sir? What if here 10 elements are there? It will become more complex, more interesting also. Now I can make it here each one like a ball. How do you make it each one as a ball? Border radius 50 percentage. Border radius 50 percentage. Why? See, if you see, when the first one animation is ended, focus on my first box. When this animation is ended, see, here it went, here it will go. When it is ending, suddenly it's disappearing and coming it, right or not? Is it looking good, sir? No. 100 to 0, it's coming immediately. 0 to 100 transition, you are seeing it. 100 to 0 directly happening. No. How it go, exactly the same path it should come back. You can use 4 paths. First one is called a normal path. Normal 0 to 100. Or you can use something like, here. I will show you animation direction. You can say normal reverse. Reverse bole to 100 to 0 it will go. 100 to 0. Or you can use something like alternate. What does it mean by alternate, sir? 0 to 100, 100 to 0 to 100, 100 to 0. If you say alternate reverse, 100 to 0, 0 to 100. You can make it however you like, sir. I'm going with this. Now, when it is over, it will come back in the same mode. You can see it. Any ball, again, it will come back in the same mode. Are you getting my point, ma? Any doubts here? Any doubts here? I will do it one more animation. If you are having a gist of this, then we'll try one more animation. One more animation. The more animations we do, the more clarity we'll get. But till now, basic, you all understand, na? Can we create one more? This time I'm gonna create something like falling stars. This time I will make it a chota falling star. Like, see, I will put some balls here. Let's make these balls fall one after the another. And again, make them jump. If you make them, you can make it crisscross also. Your wish. Any doubts? Okay, let's try it at least. Okay. Now, someone is saying like how to apply cards separately, animations like Teen Pati. You can do it. See, I am giving all cards same animation. Na? Why? Because I gave it for box. For box 1, I can give one animation. Box 2, I can give one animation. Box 3, I can give another animation. Na? You can do different animations, sir. Okay. Now, someone asked a question, where and which position you will use relative and absolute. Absolute will consider the body. Relative will consider its own position. When you want, no matter what, where you are, you want to consider the body only, then you will use absolute. No matter wherever you are, you want to use your position only, you will use relatives. Okay. Now, you can also use another two positions which are sticky and fixed. If you want to make your header or something fixed, you will use sticky or fixed. Tomorrow, when we do project, I will use that. Okay. Now, let's try it, sir. You can give animations to anything, even images. You can give your animations to images also now. You all know that now. Now, let's go here. Let's go here. Animations, more, index.html, style.css. Sir, someone is asking, can we use animated videos? Are you are not getting the point. If you use animated videos, what is the point of animations you are making it? Are you all getting my point, ma? Now, let's go here, exclamation, enter. Then go here, animations. Now, sir, what to do if we want to add the images in this animations? Let's add it, Ray. Let me do it some images only. div dot main under div dot box dollar asterisk 8. Someone asked this. Someone asked this what how to do this. This is an emmet. Emmets are like the shortcut codes. These are the emmets, sir. Emmets are like the shortcut codes, sir. Now, okay, let's see, sir. So, asterisk 8. Now, I have all the elements. Um, okay, let's go here. Let's take one image, sir. Let's take it some nice image. Uh, uh SVG free. Let's go here. Let's take this. Let's go here. Save image as open image in a new tab. Open it up. Control C. Now go here. Go here. Now put it here. IMG Alt Hot height 50 width 50. Go here. Go live. Any doubts, sir, in this? Sir, any doubts, sir? No. Obviously, no. Let's go here. Let's copy this. It's an image, ma. Okay. Inside 8 boxes, I put 8 images which are same. Can anyone tell me why the symbols are coming one after the another? Block element. Div is a block element. Can anyone tell me how to make the element side by side? Display flux. Perfect. You guys got the CSS now. So you go here. I will go to CSS, sir. I already connected my CSS. No, I did not connect it. Now I will connect it. Link. Now I will go. Here I will say everything is inside the main. So I will say main display flux. So automatically symbols will come side by side. And I will give here justify content uh, space evenly. Now elements will be distributed. Any doubts in this? Abhi tak any doubts ma? No. Very good. Now go here. For all elements will have some one animation, sir. All elements will have simple animation. By default, every element is position absolute. Oh, sorry, position relative. Relative means it will stay wherever it stays only. Okay. Now, relative, it will stay. Now, here, here, let's define one animation. Let's write myself one animation. Keyframe. I'm writing a chota animation. Keyframe. Uh, dropping. dropping hearts. So I'm just making some kind of dropping hearts animation name. What will happen when this animation will drop? 50 percentage, 50 percentage, this animation will go down. Go down bole to top will become 100 percentage. That means 100% go down na? Or you can do reverse also. You can say bottom zero. कोई doubt है माँ? No. When it is 0 percentage, sir, when it is 0 percentage, sir, when it is 0 percentage, sir, when it is 0 percentage, it will say uh, top 0, left 0. When it is 50 percentage, bottom 0. Actually, it will not work. You have to give same consistent. So, top 100 percentage, left 0 percentage. When it is again 100 percentage, same thing I will give. I am not making big animation, short animation. So it's like come down, go up. Any doubt, sir? Let's see whether our logic will work or not. Animation. Animation will contain first animation name. What is the animation name? How much time your animation will take it? Like 5 seconds. Okay. Now, what kind of mode you want is it's not working. Why? Body. It don't know the height. So body height is 100 bh. Now, okay. Now, what is the problem in this? All are dropping at once. Do I want all of them drop at once, sir? So go here. I will give here exactly 8 seconds and each one will go 1 second difference. So box 1 will have animation delay 0 seconds. Initially, no, it will start immediately. But for box 2, 1 second it will late. Box 3, 2 seconds it will be late. Box 4, 3 seconds it will be late. సరే అది పోలేదు కదా మీకు వెబ్సైట్ చెక్ బాక్స్ లో వస్తాయి ఆ చెక్ బాక్స్ లో క్లిక్ చేస్తే బల్క్ ఎడిట్ అని వస్తుంది బల్క్ ఎడిట్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే మీకు ఆ ఆ పర్టికులర్ విండో ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది మీకు నేను చూపించిన ప్రైస్ డైరెక్ట్ గా ఎంటర్ చేసేది మీకు అది పోవట్లేదు అని అంటున్నారు కదా యాక్చువల్లీ పక్కన ఎక్కడైనా క్లిక్ చేస్తే అది పోయిద్ది పక్కన ఎక్కడైనా చెప్పండి సార్ అది నేనే పెట్టాను సార్ నిన్న రాత్రి పెట్టాను అంటే రేజర్ పే వాళ్ళకి పెట్టేద్దామని అనుకున్నాను ఈ రోజు మిమ్మల్ని నాకు ఆ, అవునా ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్లు ఉన్నాయి అవి ఆర్గానిక్ ఇండియన్ లేదు సార్, అన్ని ప్రొడక్ట్ ప్రైస్ సరే నేను సాయంత్రం చూస్తాను. సరే నేను సాయంత్రం చూస్తాను సార్. అలాగే సార్. మీకు ప్రైస్ 80% లో మార్నింగ్ బుక్ అయ్యాలి. ప్రైస్ లో ఏమి ఉన్నారు అంటే నాకు అబౌట్ కాంటాక్ట్ పాలసీని కూడా ఇస్తే ఈ రోజు బెటర్ అండి. సరే సార్. సరే సార్. సరే సార్. అదే సార్. అదే సార్. సరే సార్. సరే సార్. సరే సార్, నేను క్లాస్ అయ్యాక కాల్ చేస్తాను సార్. Okay, now I think you all understand the basic gist, right? Sir, understand this logic. Now, when I say top 100%, top 0%, it one stayed here only na. But if you say absolute, it all will become here only. All will go to here. Top zero, left zero will, because it will consider body absolute. This one relative means it will stay wherever it is earlier only. Now let's make it more and more interesting, sir. See, I am doing chota animation only, I know that, but think about it. It's all about creativity, sir. Animations are not something like, it's not something mandatory or something. I want it to be more and more creative. Dot box 6, animation delay 5, dot box 7. I think I missed something, Ray. No, animation delay 6. Then why I got 6 seconds only? I thought 8 seconds it will come. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dot box 8 I did not give. Animation delay. Animation delay 7 seconds. Ui, why it is not happening, Ray? We are not having any delay, na? Why? Oh, I gave animation for the main, not the box. So whole main, whole container is moving actually, not the elements also. Now each box is having some animation dropping out 8 seconds is why it is not happening, Ray? Check the index. Each element is having box correct only. No, it is not applying this thing only. So this only somewhere logic is there. Height 0 percentage, left 0 percentage. You can give pixels or percentage, nothing will happen. I will go here, go to the select any one, go down, dropping hearts. Now you can see dropping heart 0 percentage, 50 percentage. It's working nicely only. So I understand the problem, sir. The problem is the container height. Problem is container height. So I will say container height is 100 percentage. Simple. Or 100 VH. Mhm. Go here, top. Instead of top 100 percentage, let's say top 500 pixels. Will it work at least? No. At the rate keyframes 0 percentage. This. Height 50 pixel. Width 50 pixel. Okay. This one position related na. Acha, position relative has to be this one na. Now it will move. Position relative. Now it's happening only one time na. Right or not? But do you want it to happen one time, sir? No, I want it to happen how many times? Go here, infinite. Now it will repeat. And also, I want which direction? I wanted both directions, alternate. Go smoothly and come back smoothly. Are you getting my point, ma? You can put whatever the animations you like it and which one you want to go. Okay. So let's make it faster. And let's increase it 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, delays 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Let's make the whole animation goes in 3 seconds. Actually, no, that is only cool, actually. Any doubt, sir? Did you all understand this one? Okay. Now, next. Sir, how to give styles mandatory for HTML elements? Sometimes styles won't apply. Styles will apply. Why sometimes don't apply? I don't understand. How to give styles mandatory? Every time it will apply, sir. Like you can put exclamation important. You can put exclamation important, but it's not working. I hope you all understand it, sir. Okay. Yeah. Exclamation important. Or let me give each here and another animation. Blinking animation. Animation keyframes. Blink. Blinking. Blinking बोले तो what will happen, sir? 0 percentage. Transform. Scale. 1. When it become 100 percentage, transform scale 1.25. Then I will give it here animation blinking 1 second is infinite alternate. Are you getting my point, sir? Now the problem is like you can give one animation at a time. If you want it like this both, if you want it like this both, you can combine this both animations into one. Okay? Are you getting my point? You can't give two animations. If you give it two animations here, instead like I can use it like I don't think we can give multiple animations. Only one animation you can give it here once. Let's try it once. I never gave two animations. Dropping hearts. Nay, it's not taking two animations basically. How to keep in mind all these functionalities? Again, I'm telling you, you don't need to keep it all these functionalities. See, yesterday I told you scaling, but it is your idea. Sir, if I want heartbeat effect, I need to put scaling, sir. That's your idea. Okay? Only scaling I can tell you. Are you getting my point? For example, how to move it from top to down. You can use something position. That one I told. But using that position, you can make an animation is your creativity. Now, actually, I just made it like falling this only. You can make it more other things, na? You may get different ideas, right? You go here and you can see JS animations, and I will show you one nice site. Animation, animate dot. No, not CSS. Where is? Not animate dot style. Style. Sorry, not this. Animate CSS. Why it is not coming? This one I think. Animista. Animista.net. Animista.net. On demand CSS animations library. Animista.net. You go here, click here, start. Click here, start. Animista.net. Click here, start. Now, what kind of animations you want? See, something scale down or something rotate animation you want? Do you want this rotate animation, sir? If you want rotate animation, you can left side see. Left side, you can do so many other things also. Like, for example, vertical flip, or you can say something like diagonal flip, or something like cubical flip, or you can say here how much time you want it to be. 2 seconds, ease in out, ease, delay, everything you can give, sir, direction and all. Easy, na? Now, sir, how do I get it the code then? After giving, you can select any animations you like it. Can you see your last code symbol? If you click on this, it will give CSS code. You copy paste your this code into your website, automatically you will get that. You can create on-demand animations like flipping effects, okay, or swing effects, or slide rotates, see, or not only that, entrances, something kind of rotation entrances, slide in forwards, exits, slide out, up, text, see, texting outs. This all, sir, you can understand it left side how to do, and then right side click on generate, and you will get it. See, shaking effect. Let me take this shaking effect. Let's go here, generate code. Let's see here, they are giving animation named vibrate. Let's go here, copy. I will give here this vibrate. They are giving here, this is called animation fill mode, which is both. Now, left side or right side? Both sides. That is both. Now, if you go down, they will give keyframe here. Dekho. Can you see here? They are giving keyframes, ma? Go down, go down, go down, go down. They will see keyframes. Don't take the back. Only keyframes are enough. Copy. Go here. For that vibration one, they gave this code. Now I will go to my code. Now can you see they are vibrating? You getting my point, ma? This one I get it from this animista. So logic is so simple, sir. More animations in your website is also not good. Animation should be something useful, attractive. You make your whole website everything in animations, it will slow down your website and user also will feel bad. Imagine everything is shaking, user will also shake, basically. So you want to make that. Make it something cool. And by every animation should have a purpose, ma. Just because you are a painter, don't put everything onto the canvas. Put it useful. Meaningful animations created. One of the best meaningful animations are like typing animations people use. Okay. Now you can create more other things also. You can use this animista and using the animations and positions. You can actually create a nice interactive one. Tomorrow we'll do one project HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And before that, I want to announce one interesting thing. Day after tomorrow onwards, only to my class, which is Prasad's HTML CSS 4 o'clock batch. Holidays. Only to my class. So, Thursday, you know where till when? Day after tomorrow, the date is 10. From 10, you will have your holidays till 20. Listen. I know you are shocked. Listen. So, listen it clearly, sir. Not to the whole Naresh IT. Okay, not to the whole Naresh IT. Listen. Only to Prasad's class, which is HTML CSS 4 o'clock batch. From 10th, we will have classes till 20, the holidays. After tomorrow, I am gonna meet you again 21st, which is Monday. Is it clear? If it is not Naresh IT holidays, it is my holidays. And you have another classes. In case if you have another classes, ask the respective teachers when you will have their classes. My class, tomorrow class is there, sir. After tomorrow I will complete the one project. So the CSS will be completed. In that project only I will do media queries. And I will give you one nice task. If you are free, in this 10 days, at least one day you will be free to create a nice website, which you can show me on Monday. Is it clear, ma? Plan your journeys according to that. From 10th to 21st, we will meet. Any doubts here? Is it clear, everyone? Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you all. Make a good side tomorrow. Yeah. Online, if anyone searching it for notes, just check it, sir. Just check it in GitHub. It's available. Yeah. I was right yesterday that okay, when I'm putting over on this, okay, it goes there, okay. I'm putting on the page not go to the right. Go and open it. Male hover, you are giving left side something 400 pixel.
Yeah.
Okay. When you are giving female, you are making it right side 400 pixel. Something is wrong. Put it directly first female.